Introduction. Amit and Sanjay are planning to purchase some articles from the market. For this, Sanjay is ready and waiting for Amit. Amit is combing his hair. After combing, when he puts the comb on the table and again picks the comb, then he gets surprised. He observes that some pieces of a paper are stuck to the comb. He shakes the comb well, but only few falls down, while others are still stuck to it. He asks Sanjay that why paper pieces are attracted towards the comb. Sanjay tells him that it was due to the attraction of charges. When you comb the hair, then comb gains charge due to rubbing. When this comb comes in contact with the paper, then opposite charge gets developed on the paper, and due to this, they both attract each other. Students, electric charges are present everywhere around us. Today we will study about